If you want to sound more natural in English and you want to improve your pronunciation, you need to learn the schwa. What is the schwa? First of all, the schwa is this symbol right here. And how do you say the schwa? Relax your mouth, relax your stomach, and say schwa. So, for example, when you see this word, I don't want you to say money. I want you to relax your mouth, relax your stomach, and say money. Money. So, let's practice. So, look at my mouth, relax, and repeat with me. Don't say banana. Say banana. Uh, banana. Banana. Don't say chocolate. Say chocolate. 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 Don't say vegetable. Say vegetable. 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 Don't say animal. Say animal. 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 Don't say chicken. Say chicken. 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 Don't say tuna. Say tuna. 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 Don't say doctor. Say doctor. 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 Don't say teacher. Say teacher. 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 Don't say problem. Say problem. 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 Don't say question. Say question. 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 Good job. In English, all words are divided in syllables, and some syllables are strong and other syllables are weak. When the syllable is weak, that is what we call the schwa. When I say schwa, I want you to remember I'm talking about uh, uh, uh. In many other languages, we have the a, we have the e, we have the o, but in English, when the syllable is weak, I want you to say uh, schwa. Let's practice some other phrases. These are the articles a and the. Whenever you say one of the articles, usually you say the schwa. Because, for example, you don't say, I want a banana. You say, I want a banana. I want a banana. Let's practice some common noun phrases using the schwa. Don't say a banana. Say a banana. A banana. A banana. Don't say a vegetable. Say a vegetable. A vegetable. A vegetable. Don't say an animal. Say an animal. An animal. An animal. Don't say a problem. Say a problem. A problem. A problem. Don't say a question. Say a question. A question. A question. Don't say the doctor. Say the doctor. The doctor. The doctor. Don't say the teacher. Say the teacher. The teacher. The teacher. Don't say the chicken. Say the chicken. The chicken. The chicken. Don't say the tuna. Say the tuna. The tuna. The tuna. And finally, Don't say the chocolate. Say the chocolate. The chocolate. The chocolate. Very good. You're getting better. In English, we have the positive, I like, and we have the negative, I don't like. Whenever you say negative, you're going to say not. Now, shadow me. Listen, repeat what I say, copy my rhythm. Say, I like chocolate. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I like bananas. I like bananas. I like bananas. I don't like bananas. I don't like bananas. I don't like bananas. I like vegetables. I like vegetables. I like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. Excellent job. You're doing very good. Now that we know sentences, why don't we practice some questions? I want you to learn some questions by memory. One of these questions is, do you like? And when we say, do you like, we can use a noun to ask different things. So, for example, you can say, do you like bananas? Do you like cats? Do you like dogs? Let's practice some common questions in English using the schwa. When you ask questions, it's important that you pay attention to the intonation. I don't want you to say, do you like cats? I want you to say, do you like cats? Do you like dogs? That is what is called rising intonation. And at the end of questions that begin with do, I need you to use rising intonation. So listen, repeat, and shadow me, my friends. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Do you like bananas? Do you like bananas? Do you like bananas? Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables? Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Do you like tuna? Do you like tuna? Do you like tuna? Another common question in English that you can also ask is, do you have? So, for example, do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? Do you have a question? Do you have a question? Very good. And something that you should know is when somebody asks you a question in English using the word do, the answer is usually yes, I do or no, I don't. Now, let's practice conversation. And I know exactly who to talk to who can help us practice the schwa. Let's talk to Kiro. Kiro, do you want to practice English? Oh no, Kiro is sleeping. Hmm,
Father,
Venus?
I know the schwa too. Schwa.
Do you want to practice English with me?
Yes, finally you asked me.
Okay, let's talk to Venus. Do you like chocolate?
No, I don't. Chocolate is bad and dangerous for cats.
Do you like tuna?
Yes, I do. I love tuna. Tuna is my favorite.
Do you have a cat?
Yes, I do. I have a Kiro.
Do you have a problem?
No, I don't. Do you have a problem?
Good job, Venus. I love Venus, and Venus loves all of you because you practice English every day. So, what did we learn today? We learned that the schwa is the most common sound in English. Now, whenever you see a word, I want you to ask yourself, do I have any weak syllables? Yes? If it's weak, you are probably going to say the schwa. Ah, schwa. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned because I still have so many other topics that I want to discuss. Because I want to help you improve your pronunciation, I want you to speak better, and I want you to be more confident. And the only way to do that is to practice every day. So follow Simple Way English by the Simple Way Project. We post material every day, and you can practice with me. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. This is the cat. The cat. When you say the articles, you don't say a cat, you say a cat. And you don't say the cat, you say the cat. Uh, the cat. So this is the cat. Look at the cat. Aww.